In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language of the video and length in Notebooklm. First, let's start with changing the language. This is useful if you're working in a different language, creating content for an international audience, or you simply understand information better in your native language. With Notebooklm open, look toward the top right corner of the interface. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This opens a settings menu that controls how Notebooklm presents your content. Inside this menu, find the option labeled Output Language. This setting tells Notebooklm which language it should use when generating your video or audio overview. Click on Output Language, and you'll see a list of supported languages. There are more than 80 options available, so take a moment to scroll through and find the one that fits your needs. Once you click your preferred language, that's it. Your future outputs will be generated in that language. If you ever need to switch again, you can come back to the same place and choose a different one. Now let's adjust the length of your content, which controls how detailed your video or audio overview will be. From the main Notebooklm interface, navigate to the Studio panel. This is where you manage your different media outputs. Inside the Studio panel, choose either the Audio Overview or the Video Overview feature, depending on what you're creating. The options for length work the same way for both. Once you have Audio or Video Overview selected, look for a button labeled Customize and click it. This opens a customization panel where you can fine-tune how the overview is generated. In this panel, find the section called Length. This is where you choose how long and detailed you want your overview to be. You'll see three options: Short, Default, and Long. Select Short if you want a quick overview that hits only the key points. This can be great when you need a fast summary or you're just getting oriented. Default gives you a balanced length with enough detail to understand the material without feeling overwhelmed. Choose Long when you want a more in-depth discussion, with additional explanation and context drawn from your sources. After you select the length you want, your next generated audio or video overview will follow that setting. You can always come back and change it again if your needs shift over time.